Embattled Congressman George Santos is in federal court on Long Island. This is the very first time since pleading not guilty last month to charges that he duped donors, stole money from his campaign, and lied to Congress. Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Carlo is live at the courthouse in Central Islip. Anthony.
Well, Charlene, those are some serious charges, of course, the congressman now faces. And right now, as we speak, George Santos is sitting in the courtroom in front of U.S. District Judge Joanna Siebert. This for a status conference to discuss the future of this case, which, of course, means the potential today of setting a trial date. And just moments ago, the congressman showed up here to the courthouse. Take a look here at this video, flanked by his attorney as they shared some words heading into the courthouse. And among the plethora of allegations Santos faces, he's been accused of stealing money for a veteran's dying dog, and that veteran here today shouting "dog killer" at Santos as he entered court. This is Santos' first time back in court since pleading not guilty last month to a slew of charges. Federal prosecutors hit Santos with 13 counts of wire fraud, money laundering, theft of public funds, and lying to Congress. He faces up to 20 years in prison if convicted, but right now he's still in office, out on bond in this case. In fact, he just got back from a work trip to El Paso, where he called for increased border security, a trip he reportedly says he got permission for. Santos has condemned this federal investigation as a witch hunt, and he's vowed to remain in Congress and even run for re-election, despite fellow Republican and Speaker of the House Kevin McCarthy urging him not to. And again, just moments ago, George Santos arrived here at federal court, headed through those doors there. He sits now for a status conference in which we hope to learn more about the future of this case, again, which includes learning possibly about a trial date. Right now, there's no cameras allowed inside, but plenty out here. And we'll, of course, update you if Mr. Santos addresses the media. In the meantime, Eyewitness News reporter Shantae Lanz is in the courtroom right now, learning more details about this case.